everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, something that has been not going on, but there's a story. Let me tell you the story. So today I thought we would do a page in my Wreck This journal. I got this for Christmas this year, about maybe 4 or 5 years ago. I bought myself one ready to have a go at doing, and one of my daughters wanted it, so I gave it to her. Then eventually I bought another one and was ready to go again, and then my other daughter wanted it, so I gave it to her, and I never did get round to buying another one. But one of my girls for Christmas got me a Wreck This journal to replace the two that I'd previously had. So what it is it's a journal that you it says Wreck This journal, to create is to destroy, by Kerry Smith. So Kerry Smith's the author, and it goes through a whole bunch of prompts and different things to do to the journal. Now I'm going to do mine in a creative way. There's some things I'm not going to do you know what it says, but I'll be doing something creative around that prompt. So there's something there, you've got to chew the page, and so this is the first one. You write your name in white, write your name illegibly, write your name in tiny letters, write your name backward, and those sorts of things I'll be doing. Instructions: carry this with you everywhere you go. Follow the instructions on every page. Order is not important. Instructions are open to interpretation. Experiment. Work against your better judgment. So mine are going to be totally open to interpretation. I've done a couple of them already. So add your own page numbers. So I've done that. I've numbered all the pages. And then I think the next one was Crack the Spine. So I've done that as well. But I will be decorating these pages as well. But what I thought we could do today, float this page. Do you take the page out and stick it in the shower? Do you... whatever you can do. But I thought maybe we could do this page together. Now it says cover this page in tape, create some kind of pattern. Now I've got some inspiration from Pinterest, and I thought I could use washi tape. So this is a collection by Gingham Garden, and I thought we could use this to create a pattern if we can get into it somehow. Okay. There's one in there where you collect fruit labels, you know, the stickers of fruits. One of my girls used to do that, and she also used to collect bread tags, you know, the little plastic tags that you had on your loaf of bread. Right, let's get into this. Right, so what have we got? Those ones are cute. Are they individual? I think they are. So we've got butterflies, flowers. That's a gingham with a scalloped edge, so that one can wait, but I will use these ones. So I'm going to do both pages, but what I might do is I will do this. I'm going to use glue stick because washi tape doesn't stick very well, and I need my craft blade. I'm going to do like a sort of like a log cabin type block around the outside. So, but I will go ahead and get this first page done, but I will speed the footage up so that you don't have to sit here and watch me fight with washi tape and glue. And when we come back, we should have a nice page done. But what I might do is pause it. I'll do bits and pieces of cutting stuff out, and then and a bit of sped up footage. So see you soon. Okay, well, there's that side done. So what I might do is pause the video now and go ahead and get this side done, and when we come back I'll show you it all finished. Okay, won't be long. Okay, so it's much later in the day and I have finished my page that I was doing. So I did all of that one, you saw that one, and then I've gone ahead and done the other side as well. So I'm very happy with how that's come out. I really enjoyed that. It took forever, but it's looking good. So I also went ahead and did a little bit on this page. It's not finished yet. I've still got a few little bits to fill in there. So, but yes, it's coming along. It's going to be a very fun process. So thank you very much for joining me, and we will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.